Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Clockify and sign in. Create or join a workspace and add a project. This ties time to billing or reports. Select a task, type a short note, and hit the timer. That begins accurate tracking. Use tags to group work. Make sure your default workspace and project are set so you don't misassign entries. Once the timer runs, you can pause or switch tasks. This keeps time precise and billable without waiting until the end of the day. Once you have live tracking, refine entries and metadata. You can create manual entries to log work you forgot, entering exact start and end times or duration. Edit any entry to move it to another project, mark it billable, or expand notes so invoices and reports are clean. Use the desktop app or browser extension to start/stop without tab hunting, and learn a couple shortcuts to speed switching. These steps keep records accurate, simplify invoicing, and make weekly reports reliable. Finish by reviewing reports and exporting the data you need. Run a per project or weekly report, filter for users, tags, and date ranges, and confirm billable hours. Export CSV or PDF for invoices and accounting, then reconcile totals. If you see duplicate timers, wrong workspace, or missing time, edit entries right away. Don't batch fix weeks later. Make a habit of a quick end-of-day review. That prevents invoice disputes and keeps your time logs trustworthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.